Cranford, Language Toolkit, Book 1, Passage 1, Skills, Reading for Ideas, Television, Paragraph 3.
On a more mundane level, watching television is the greatest way to relax. What could be better after a hard day at the office, factory, or school than to sink into a chair and watch an episode of our favorite drama or game show? It also provides a ready-made opportunity for entertainment at the push of a button, and this form of entertainment can be cheaper than a night out at the cinema. In the highly competitive world of work, television might help to prevent all stress-related illnesses. Sometimes television enhances family life as it offers an opportunity for parents and children to spend time together watching a favorite program.
Customer care. +92 300 479 1643. Office number 0423 735 3737. WhatsApp number 0333 479 1643. Cranford Educational Research Center, Cranford Street, Urdu Bazar, Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan.